I guess I really don't know what Christmas is all about. Isn't there anyone who knows what Christmas is all about?
Hey Any Army, welcome back to my channel and welcome to my first ever clean and decorate with me. I am so excited. It is Christmas time. I can't even lie, I was acting like baby Grinch in the back at the beginning of the little fall festivities, but Mariah got me right into Christmas spirit. So without further ado, we're about to get right into the video. So the first thing that you see me doing is completely stripping my bed of the covers, the pillows, everything. As y'all see, my bed is on the floor because my apartment flooded, so I do have to get a new bed frame, but it is a little bit more comfy on the floor, I'm not gonna even lie. So now you all see that I have tons and tons and tons of laundry to do, and I'm already doing some as well. So the first thing that I'm gonna do is clean my bathtub. I tried using a little cocktail of this cleanser that I put together and it worked pretty well, but I don't know if I'm gonna do that again because the color is a little bit weird and I don't know. You all see me cleaning my mirror, had my waist trainer on, gotta stay in shape while we're cleaning. Before we get into cleaning the kitchen, I just had to mention that this video is in collaboration with my girl Mariah Simone. She is a beauty, fashion, and lifestyle YouTuber. Her apartment is so warm, so cozy, and so freaking bomb. So once you're done watching my video, go head over to Mariah's channel and check out her video as well. We kind of have different styles, so I feel like you all will be able to get a lot of inspiration between the both of our videos. Okay, so now you all see me cleaning the stove, y'all. I am surprised at this stove. Well, actually, I'm not even surprised because I hadn't cooked in like almost a month. So my stove surprisingly was not that dirty. I did have like a lot of stuff stuck on there though. So I ended up going through with this cleaner spray and a scrubber and really just getting all the stains off. Now I'm going to take my glass cleaner and make sure that my stove is just nice and shiny. I love to see my stove gleam, y'all. This spray is absolutely phenomenal. It has no harsh chemicals in it, and Mariah actually gave it to me because she got a 2-pack. So thank you, girl. I'm also going to be cleaning out my microwave really good. This is a step that you all cannot miss. I be going to some people's house and opening their microwave and I be like, come on now, y'all. Let's keep it clean. I made my stove shiny, have to have the refrigerator nice and shiny as well. This thing is huge, so I just like to keep it nice and fingerprint free. I didn't want to make this video sad at all, but since it is around the holidays, I think it's just best that we stay positive and stay grateful and just count all of our blessings. I keep this picture of my cousin Dominique on my dishwasher just so that when I wake up I can make sure that I use every day with purpose and with intent, and you know, just reminds me that life is short and that we have to live in the moment. Now onto the dishes, y'all. You can ask anybody. I usually wash my dishes as I go, so I literally just had all these dishes in the sink just for this video, and I cannot lie, my OCD was kicking in and I was like, let's hurry up and get these washed because oh my goodness.
Y'all, please tell me how I just spilt the candle
on the stove after I just cleaned it. Only me. Now it is time to clean the floors, y'all. Oh my goodness, I am so grateful. Mariah gave me this Swiffer because she wanted to get a steamer instead, and I absolutely love this thing. I put the lavender scent into it and it smells so good, and it also cleans the floors very well. I'm back, y'all. I just got my couch in the mail. It's behind me, and I am so well, in the mail. I got it from FedEx. Well, FedEx brought it here. Lord have mercy. Okay, so FedEx delivered my couch. The couch is from Amazon. I'm gonna show you all everything in a minute. They brought it into my apartment. So sweet. So I have a rug, and oh my goodness, I have so much to tell you all, but basically my apartment flooded, and when my apartment flooded, my rug got wet, and it smelled like when your patio furniture gets wet. It smells so bad. So I just got back from the laundromat. I had to wash it. Y'all, tell me when I was at the laundromat, I'm talking to this guy, and he was just telling me like he's from Mexico. He was speaking to me in Spanish, which I love because I get to practice my Spanish. And at first he was so sweet. He asked me if I had a quarter. I said no mas. He said, are you sure? I said yes. And then I showed him the bag, and then he goes, well, thank you anyway, you're really sweet. And then he said, see you later. And I said buenos dias, and he said buenos tardes. And I said, you're right, buenos tardes. Anywho, so that was that. So then I went back to my car, come back to put it in the dryer, my rug. And y'all, this man is talking to me. He's showing me this dance, this and that. He's like, do you dance? I said, like, see, I can do bachata, and that's about it. And then he was like, oh, bachata. And then he starts dancing, y'all. And as he's talking to me, he gets closer, and I smell liquor. And I said, this been off the cervezas this whole time. I'm not about to play with him. So after that, I'm like waiting for my my rug to get done. I literally had 2 minutes. Y'all, why does this man end up asking me where I live? I said around. He said, do you have a husband? And I was like, see. And then he said, do you have kids? And I said no, and I should have said sí, 10 kids, but I was just like, no. And I'm like walking out the door, and he goes, oh, well, te amo mucho. And then he did a kiss, and I was like, and then disappeared like that meme. It's time for me to bounce because you just did entirely too much. You started off being really nice. I'm over here practicing my Spanish. Now you want to send me a beso and think it's sweet. No. And he said, muy bonita. I was like, But anywho, that was just my little story time. But I am so excited. So shout out to my girl Mariah. She gave me some quarters, y'all. I had to go to the laundromat. I haven't been to the laundromat since I was little. So I literally washed my carpet, and then I only had like $2 worth of quarters left to dry it, and that was only 15 minutes. So the reason why I went there is because I did not think that my washing machine was big enough, because it's like economically efficient. Y'all, why didn't I just get back here and the rug was still wet? So I put it in the dryer, and I'm thinking that the dryer is gonna like think it's too heavy. No, it's drying. So next time I might just wash it here too and see if it works. And if not, I will go back over to the laundromat. I am so close. I am all in y'all's face. But anywho, that's enough talking. Back to the clip. All right, y'all, I just got the rug out the dryer. And so, look, and Mariah is here. And I go, oh, wait. The things I just had to do. All right, y'all, so I'm about to show me putting up the couch. As you all can see, I was literally so excited to get this couch, y'all. I've been here for almost a year, and I have been either sitting on my bed or sitting in my chair, and wow, I'm just, again, so grateful that I got this couch. And Mariah came over to celebrate with me, so that was absolutely amazing. To decorations, I really didn't want to do too much, simply because I am going to be going home for Christmas, and because, you know, my space is not that huge. So honestly, I just love lights. So you're gonna see that there's lights everywhere. I got this little Merry Christmas sign from the thrift store, actually. I think it was only like $2, so it's really cute, and when you look at it up close, it's actually sparkly. And as you can see, my bathroom is so petty. I just have a tree for now, but I am going to get some lights, and you all should see those in my finished apartment tour. Star tree is literally my favorite. I ended up going back and fixing it later because it just looks really raggedy here. So yeah. Y'all, so I am a little upset. I was filming the part where I decorated and put the lights on the tree, and my camera cut off, but it's okay. I put them on really good, and I didn't want to redo it just for the video. I'm so sorry, y'all, but you can see the tree is up. It's gorgeous, and I really didn't want to get upset about, you know, things that I can't control, technology. So now I'm just putting my milk and cookies candle down, and y'all, that candle really smells like milk and cookies. It smells so good. And also, I got this throw from Target for $5. Mariah literally was like, you better get that throw. I love it so much. Finishing it off with my $5 star pillow from Target as well. And that's the end of this video. Thank you all so much for watching. Make sure that you all comment, like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.
Jack Frost nipping at your nose. So